When your Go chair arrives, it will be contained in one box. Cut the banding using a pair of cutters and remove the box lid. You will find the owner's packet and quick start guide on the top of the packaging. Please note the Go chair shrouding is added to the carton before it ships through a slot on the side of the box. They are wrapped in white packaging and labeled, and it will be in a styrofoam compartment. Once you have removed all of the components of the Go chair from the carton, you are ready to assemble the unit. Your owner's packet will contain the detent pins for the seat post, armrests, accessory receiver tube, 4mm Allen wrench, and wire ties for the harness securement. Begin by setting the seat post to the desired height and attaching it with the larger detent pin. Next, place the battery box on the base. Before placement of the seat, attach the color shrouded to the base, 2 of the front caster caps, 2 on the battery box, and 2 on the rear unit. Place the seat on the seat post. Make sure the underseat storage is open before placing on the post. Slide the lower half of the armrest in the receiver and set to the desired width by aligning the holes. Use the smaller detent pins and adjustment knobs to tighten. Make sure the nut is on the inside of the armrest. Place the upper half of the armrest in the lower half and tighten the set screw once the desired height is reached, and repeat on the other side. The armrests are universal for mounting the joystick, so once you determine the joystick side, slide the joystick mount in the armrest and tighten the set screw with the 4mm Allen wrench. Use the wire ties to secure the harness to the hole under the arms. Connect the joystick to the power module harness. Always orient the armrest upwards to ensure that there will be enough slack in the harness, and finish securing the harness to the armrest. Cut the excess wire ties flush so that there is no chance of the consumer getting scratched. Turn the unit on and test it to make sure it works properly. Make sure the unit is fully charged before use by charging in one of the 2 charging ports on the Go chair. Please note, to remove the seat, you should put the backrest down and must open the underseat storage before pulling straight up. That is the setup for the new Go chair. Thank you.